Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this block stitch. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. Okay, after slip knot we have to make chain crochet stitches, and chain crochet stitches will be in multiple of 3, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, as much as length or width you desire, whatever project you are making. At the end make plus 2 chain crochet stitches. Okay, here I am done with my chain crochet stitches. Okay, so after the current loop on the needle, leave 4 stitches, skip 4 stitches, and in 5th stitch, actually from 5th stitch, we will start making 1 triple crochet or treble crochet in each single stitch. Okay, after the current loop we have to skip 4 stitches, and from 5th stitch onward we are going to make 1 triple crochet or 1 treble crochet in each single stitch. I'm trying to give you slow demonstration, but then also any of you want to refer a tutorial video for triple crochet or treble crochet stitch, video is already given, link is already given in the description, so you can refer that video. It quite slow demonstration is given, and as usual written notes are there, so you would find it quite easy to understand. Okay, so we have to do 1 treble crochet or 1 triple crochet all along the row till the last stitch. In each single stitch 1 triple crochet. I'll just complete this whole line and I'll show you. See, here we are done with the last stitch. Okay, now we will make a chain crochet stitch and we will turn a crochet work. Okay, now we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch, right, starting from the first stitch itself. Okay, 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Actually we are supposed to cut a yarn over here, and it goes, this block stitch goes only in one direction, but how many times you're going to cut your yarn? So it's like in continuation. Just take one more row of 1 single stitch in each single stitch. Now see, we are going to change the color. Now to change the yarn, keep 2 loops on your needle of the last stitch and pull your new yarn from those 2 loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, actually we supposed to make 4 chain crochet stitch. It's like make 4 chain crochet stitch and turn your work, or make 1 chain crochet stitch and turn your work and then make 4 chain crochet stitch. And after that you have to make extended, see, long single crochet stitches in the gap of every 4th and 5th treble crochet stitch. See, I have left 4 treble crochet, 1 2 3 4, and in this gap, see, in this gap I will make a single crochet stitch but extended. You see, like I will pull my yarn more. See, I'm pulling it more and I'm making a larger, bigger single crochet stitch. Okay, again followed by 4 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now again I will leave 4 treble crochet stitches, and this gap, in this gap of 4th and 5th I'll make a extended single crochet stitch, that is I will pull that yarn more. So this I have to do till the end of the work. See, now we are left with 1 single stitch. So first we make a single crochet stitch, extended single crochet stitch. Okay, and after that on that stitch itself, last stitch, we will make a single crochet stitch on that stitch. Exactly. And now we make a chain crochet stitch and we turn our work. Make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. Okay, go on making 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch till end of the row. As I told you, actually we are supposed to make it only one way. Okay, and then we have to cut a yarn, but like each time we have to go on cutting a yarn, so it's like better than each time cutting a yarn, we will continue with one flow only. Instead of cutting in one flow only, we will try to make it. Okay, here we are done. Now again we will get back to a green yarn. So we will keep 2 loops, pull our new yarn from both the loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Again not 1, 4 chain crochet stitches. Now we are supposed to make treble crochet stitches. In 4 treble crochet stitches around this chain, a small chain of 4 around it. See, we are making it around it 4 treble crochet stitches. Around each chain we are supposed to make 4 treble crochet stitches, not from the stitches, around that chain. See, I'm making a treble crochet stitch around that chain. Exactly. Okay, again a treble crochet stitch around that chain. See, so like I have to make 4 treble crochet stitches around that chain. Then I switch to next chain directly. Here I'm done with 4 treble crochet stitches. Okay, now I will switch to next chain and I'll do the same work. Then I will switch to next chain, then I will do the same work. Okay, so I'll just complete this line and I'll show you. See, we will go on making this triple crochet or treble crochet stitches, 4 triple crochet stitches around every chain, and once we are done with the last chain, okay, then a single stitch remains. Okay, in every row you will get that single stitch. We will make a triple crochet stitch on that stitch. Okay, I'll just show you. Just go on making 4 triple crochet stitches around that every chain. By end a last stitch comes, so on that we will make one treble crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch, and then we just make a chain crochet stitch and turn our work. So we make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Please don't forget to take that one treble crochet stitch on the stitch, like we took one single crochet stitch on the treble crochet stitch in of pink color. Now we are going to do in green color. We are going to make a treble crochet stitch on that single crochet stitch. Now we are going again back to that pink color. Okay, so for that we will keep 2 loops, pull our yarn, and now for whole project we are going to repeat pink color step, that is row number that pink color row and upper green color row, or row number 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. We are going to repeat same and same in whole project. Okay, I'll just complete some of the rows so you'll get an idea how it looks. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. So this is how a block stitch looks like, crochet block stitch. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos and many stitches I'm going to make videos on. So please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, and if you like the video, like, comment and share, and please be tuned as I'll be coming up with many crochet projects, new designs. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.